Foundation, I'm going to use Sleek Life Proof Foundation in the shades of LP04. My under eyes concealer, I'm going to use Maybelline Instant Rewind Eraser. For my contour, I'm going to use Maybelline V-Face Duo Stick. For my mascara, I'm going to use Full Blush Bloom from CoverGirl. For my lashes, I'm going to use Mute Lashes. For my blush on, I'm going to use Intuit Sheer Shimmer Blush. For my lipstick, I'm going to use Maybelline Superstay the shades of 30 Romantic. Highlighter, I'm going to use Revlon Photo Ready Instafix. For my setting spray, I'm going to use NYX Matte Finish Spray. Ayusin ko lang yung buhok ko and I will be back for my final look.
A few moments later.